Welcome back to our dustbin training center. Today we're going to show you the Rally 21. This machine is one of 3 micro scrubber platforms. This machine is very compact. With its 80 liters of water, its 4 by 6 volt battery will get you 4.5 to 5 hour runtime. Just browsing through the machine, we can see the skirt for our brush cover to prevent water splashing. We can look at our squeegee system, the hurricane squeegee system, self-leveling, that picks up 100% of the water. And we can also look at a big industrial drain system for the dirty water. 80 liters of water, as I mentioned. If we go into the areas where we store the battery, it can be equipped with 2 12 volts for 2.5 hour runtime, or 4 6 volt for 4.5 to 5 hour runtime. Filling device that can be brought to your sink water tap, or we can use the proportioning device right from your water system with your dustbin chemical, or a measuring cup that helps you measure your chemical, the right chemical for the right cleaning process. Very compact. Water levels. Mounting on the machine, the seat sensor will prevent you from operating the machine without sitting on it. Turning your key on, computer dashboard. Read your instruction before, but very easy to operate. We're looking on your right, the speed of the machine can be changed. And the harrow meter. Activating the machine, fully automated, where your brush, your water, your vacuum, or going to an eco version, again reducing 25% of the energy, increasing the traveling time, the work time, and also reducing the amount of water required for cleaning. It can also be automatically changed to manually by turning your motor off, by turning your brush off, and also adjusting your water up and down based on your requirement. Safety horn, always in use when backing up the machine, your forward and reverse. Quickly engaging the machine. The operators are ready to go. A great small micro scrubber that will give you the industrial square footage up to 35,000 square feet per hour with a 21-inch machine. That is incredible. Thank you, and welcome back to the next video that we're going to produce at Dustbin.